Hi there! In this video, you'll learn how a two-way lighting circuit works using two-way switches. The first component in this circuit is the circuit breaker, rated B10, 10 amperes. It protects the lighting circuit against overloads and short circuits and supplies power to the system. This is the first two-way switch installed at the bottom of the stairs. It has one common terminal marked with L and two switching terminals, usually marked as 1 and 2. This is the second two-way switch installed at the top of the stairs. It has the same type of terminals, one common terminal L and two switching terminals. The numbering of the terminals does not matter. What is important is the common terminal marked with L. The two remaining terminals are connected between the switches, and their order does not affect the circuit operation. The lighting fixture contains 3 light bulbs connected together. All bulbs turn on and off at the same time, controlled from both switches. Now I'll connect the wires, beginning with the live wire, then the neutral, and finally the ground, which is essential for safety. Operating either of the two switches changes the path of the electric current and turns the light on or off, regardless of the position of the other switch. So I will operate the switch on the right. Watch how it opens contact 1 and closes contact 2, and I will do the same from the switch on the left. If you found this explanation useful, support the channel with a like and subscribe for more simple electrical tutorials. See you next time.